Gordofilm Solution with Applicator is a product used to treat common skin and foot warts, as well as corns and calluses. It contains two main ingredients, salicylic acid and flexible collodion. Salicylic acid works by breaking down the top layer of skin and increasing moisture, causing the wart, corn, or callus to peel off. Flexible collodion forms a protective coating over the treated area, keeping it clean and maintaining contact with the skin. It should not be used on the face, moles, birthmarks, warts with hair, or genital/anal warts. If you are self-treating with this medication, be sure to carefully read the package instructions to ensure it is right for you. When using Gordofilm Solution with Applicator, it is important to follow the directions provided by your doctor or pharmacist. If you are self-treating, make sure to carefully follow the instructions on the product package. Before applying the solution, it is recommended to wash the affected area and soak it in warm water for about 5 minutes to soften the skin. Dry the area thoroughly before gently removing the top dead layers of thickened skin using a rough towel, pumice stone, callus file, or emery board. It's important not to use sharp objects and to avoid trying to rub off the wart, corn, or callus. Using the provided applicator, apply a thin coat of the medication 1 drop at a time to cover the entire wart, corn, or callus. Take care to not get the liquid on surrounding skin to minimize irritation. Allow the medication to dry and repeat this procedure 1 to 2 times daily as needed until the wart, corn, or callus is removed. For warts, you may use this product for up to 12 weeks, and for corns and calluses, you may use it for up to 2 weeks. Remember to wash your hands after use. It is important not to use this product on irritated, red, or infected skin, and to avoid contact with the eyes and face. If contact occurs, wash the area immediately and flush the eyes with water for 15 minutes. If irritation persists, contact your doctor right away. Do not apply a large amount of the medication or use it on a large area, and do not use it more often or for longer than directed. Inhaling the fumes from the product should also be avoided. If your condition does not improve or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical problem, stop using the product and seek medical help immediately. When using Gordofilm Solution with Applicator, you may experience mild skin burning, redness, and peeling of the treated area, which is normal. However, if these effects persist or worsen, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist right away. If your doctor has prescribed this product for you, it's because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the risk of potential side effects. Most people who use this product do not experience serious side effects. Seek immediate medical attention if you experience any unusual changes in the treated area, such as discharge or bleeding, or the formation of a deep sore/ulcer. While rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this medication can occur. If you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help right away. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the U.S., you can report any side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Gordofilm Solution with Applicator, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to salicylic acid, aspirin, NSAIDs, or flexible collodion, or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so it's essential to discuss this with your pharmacist for more details. Also, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have any skin irritation, infection, or redness in the area to be treated, diabetes, or poor blood circulation. It's important to disclose all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products, to your doctor or dentist before undergoing surgery. If you are pregnant, Gordofilm Solution should only be used when clearly needed, so it's crucial to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also important to consult your doctor before using this product if you are breastfeeding, as it is unknown whether this product passes into breast milk. When using Gordofilm solution with applicator, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It is important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It is crucial to not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Gordofilm solution with applicator. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your medication regimen. If this solution is swallowed, it can be harmful, especially if someone has taken too much and is experiencing serious symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing. In such cases, it's important to call 911 or a poison control center immediately. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can reach out to a provincial poison control center. Make sure to keep all of your regular medical appointments. This will help ensure that you are using Gordofilm solution with applicator correctly and getting the most benefit from it. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When using Gordofilm solution with applicator, it is important to store it at room temperature and keep the cap tightly closed to prevent any flammability. Make sure to keep this product away from heat or open flame and out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush this product down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. When it is expired or no longer needed, be sure to properly discard it. It is best to consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the proper disposal method. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.